rice with apples and peaches. You need a casserole dish. We're using 5 wrinkly apples and some of our frozen peaches. Maybe, I don't know, maybe.
You know, you could cut off the ends of these, you know, like, here, like go at an angle, like this. And you get more use out of the food.
Okay.
You know, see?
4 cups of peaches. Bloopers! I'm making the topping for the apple crisp. 3/4 cup brown sugar. 1/2 cup of flour. 1/2 cup of oats. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 1/3 cup of butter. Now we're gonna sprinkle this topping on top. That's that. Now we need to put it in the oven at 375 for 35 to 40 minutes. We're gonna make some pizza dough and it's gonna sit till tomorrow, so it's kind of like a sourdough. 1 cup of water. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoons yeast. Let that sit for 10 minutes and then add 2.5 cups of flour. 2.5 cups of flour. Now we're going to mix it up. And when I'm done mixing this, we'll set it aside for tomorrow evening when we're gonna roll it out for pizza. Time to roll out the dough. We have a couple ducks here, and we're gonna cover them with barbecue sauce and cook them in the roaster.
And we're using hickory apple barbecue sauce from 9 Diamond Ranch.
Why are you kids putting barbecue sauce on duck?
Because it tastes good. Putting barbecue sauce on the ducks, we're going to rub it in and rub it all around.
Now we're gonna put a lid on it. We're gonna bake it at 350 for 2 hours and 15 minutes. It's been 2 hours and 15 minutes and the duck is done.
Time to give this a try. Look at that. That's good duck, and that's good barbecue.